Yan guys, pakita ko lang yung gawa ko guys. Yan, metal paring guys. Ay, metal stud guys. Yan. Yan guys, may tatlong photobot yan guys. Bali, Photoshop pala to guys yung gagawin natin guys. Yan. Yan guys, yung ano na yan guys. Nakadrop yung ano yan guys. Yan. Tapos pabilog yung kanto niya guys. Bali, pang 5 araw ko na yan guys ginagawa guys. Yan. May helper lang ako guys. Ako lang mag-isa gumagawa guys. Yan. Hello guys. Yan. Ganyan naman yan guys, yung drywall natin guys. Yan. Simple lang guys. Yan. Maraming salamat guys, pakisuportahan yung ating channel guys. Thank you guys. Yan. May ilaw yan dyan guys. Yan. Yung ating drywall guys. Yan. Update ko kayo guys pag natapos na yun guys. Papakita ko rin sa inyo guys. Yan. Maraming salamat guys.